So the first question is all about this quadratic here and all the things we can do with it. We've got three values here. We've got a is 3, we've got b, the number of x's, is 4, and c is -5. And the thing that you have to remember is that the sum of the roots is minus b over a. So here we've just got -4/3. And the product of the roots is c over a, not negative this time. So -5 over 3. It is minus because there's a minus there, but there's not a minus in the formula. So if I want to do alpha plus beta all squared, well, we already know what alpha plus beta is. It's that. And we want to square that. So we've got 16 over 9. But then what is alpha plus beta all squared? Just multiplying that out, that's alpha squared and 2 alpha betas plus beta squared. So these two things are equal to each other. And we already know what, let's write this a bit clearer, I suppose. I'm going to write that again. I'm going to write this clearer. So alpha plus beta all squared, you know, is alpha squared add beta squared add 2 alpha betas. The question's actually asking us to find out what this is. Well, we know what that is. It's 16 over 9. And we know what that is because we've already got it here. 2 of those is -10/3. And so alpha squared add beta squared are these two things added together. So what's that? That's 46 over 9. We'll do another one as well. So 1 over, let's move up. So I've got 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. A little bit of fractions to work with to start with. When we add those together, we get beta plus alpha over alpha beta. Common denominator multiplied up and so on. This one, alpha plus beta, I know it's gone off the top of the page there, but that was -4/3. Alpha beta, I got -4/3. Alpha beta was -5/3. 1 divided by the other makes 4/5. I think there's that. Oh no, there's a bit more to go as well. Sorry, there's another part as well. So part C says, find the equation whose roots are alpha squared and beta squared. So when we add those two things together, we've already done that. That was there, wasn't it? So that's 46 over 9. And when we multiply those two things together, the product of those things, alpha squared and beta squared, well, that's just alpha beta all squared. Alpha beta was that, so just square that, so that's 25 over 9. And now we're going to go backwards to another quadratic, that the sum of the roots, so what am I going to say? So minus b over a is 46 over 9, and c over a is 25 over 9. I think we can see straight away that we're going to have 9x squared plus 46x plus 25 as our quadratic. It's an equation, so it equals 0. I suppose, look, I spotted that there was a 9, both of those things there, but if these were more complicated, I would have just written this, x squared plus 46 over 9x plus 25 over 9, and then times by 9 to get there. And if these were different fractions, I could sort it out at that point. Just checking it's not minus. Yeah, it's minus, isn't it? I'm not going to go back and redo all of these things here, but look, the b there should have been a negative. That's a minus there. I'm sorry about that slip there, but I'm not going to go back and do 4.5 minutes on all the rest of it for a negative slip near the end. It was minus b over a was 46, so that value there needed to be negative.